Hello everyone, I am Jenny Villabandilla. I am here to discuss to you about the core values and benefits in table tennis. Table tennis, often known as ping pong, is more than just a recreational pastime. It is a sport that combines physical agility with mental sharpness, offering benefits that extend well beyond the table. Playing table tennis is more than just a fun sport. It's a practice that instills valuable core values and offers numerous benefits. At its heart, table tennis promotes sportsmanship, teaching players to respect opponents and handle wins and losses gracefully. It also requires discipline and consistent practice, which can translate into a strong work ethic and other areas of life. The game sharpens focus and mental agility, as players need to stay alert and make quick decisions. Moreover, table tennis provides excellent physical fitness, improving cardiovascular health and coordination. It fosters social interaction by bringing people together and serves as a great way to relieve stress. In just a few minutes of play, you're not only enjoying a sport but also enhancing your overall well-being and personal growth.